Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I have given introduction of Vedas and Rig Veda and Samaveda. Please watch my previous videos in playlist. Today I am going to explain the third Veda is Yajur Veda. The meaning of Yajur Veda is the worship of knowledge. Yajur Veda dates back to the 1100 to 800 BCE, corresponding with the Samaveda. It compiles the ritual offering, mantras, chants. The chants were offered by the priest alongside a person who used to perform a ritual. The main key features of the Yajur Veda are: it has two types, Krishna and Shukla. Krishna Yajur Veda has an unarranged and uncleared motley collection of verses. Shukla Yajur Veda has arranged and clear verses. Krishna Yajur Veda has two recitations, while Shukla Yajur Veda has 4. The oldest layer of Yajur Veda has 1875 verses, mostly taken from the Rig Veda. The middle layer of the Veda has Satpat Brahmana, which is commentary of Shukla. The youngest layer of Yajur Veda consists of various Upanishads, Bruhad Aranyaka Upanishad and Isha Upanishad, the Taittiriya Upanishad and Katha Upanishad, the Shvetavastra Upanishad and the Maitri Upanishad. Vajrayana Samhita is the Samhita in Shukla Yajur Veda. There are 4 surviving recitations of Krishna Yajur Veda: Taittiriya Samhita and Maitrani Samhita, Katha Samhita and Kapisthala Samhita. It is also an old Veda. Thank you for watching my video.